Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Just working on this idle Imax F280. It's currently running, but when I arrived it was only at 44 Celsius or so and in sequence 3, and now it is it's gone up in temperature, and so have the clarifiers as well. It looked like it was in sequence 5 and it had an air pressure switch issue. If we go down here, we'll see that here's the air pressure switch. It looks as though the hoses may have been kinked on the air pressure switch, possibly. So I've taken it out and just had a little look. You can do a pressure test on these. Just had another little blip there, I believe. Let's have a little look at the control sequence. Here it is down here. So number 3 is what it was in a while ago, but it keeps going to 5 and having a bit of an issue. I'm going to change the air pressure switch and also order the hose for it. It's just received a new fan, so I'm not going to mess about with that too much. So I'm going to change the air pressure switch and the hoses on it as well. It's currently in stage 6, which says burner off because a set value has been reached. The set value is 70 Celsius. Here we go, now we're in 5, stage 5. So here we go, stage 5, stage 2, then stage 3. 2 ignition, 3 burner on, and here is our temperature. This is the temperature of our calorifiers. They were about 40 odd Celsius when I arrived. Now they are going up. I'm hoping that they're going to get to 60 Celsius or more. So this particular unit has had a lot of work done on it. It's had a new PCB, new fan, and so on. A lot of work has taken place on it. I'm glad it's running at the moment. I'm going to order a new air pressure switch and the hoses for it. It seems to be okay at the moment. It looks like the air pressure switch was dangling down there, and it was creating a problem with receiving the signals it needs in order to have the PCB happy and for it to keep running. It seems a lot more consistent at the moment compared to when I first arrived. Let's check these temperatures again. Okay, that's the temperature of our calorifiers. Going up. If we check the next page, this is our set points, so we want them to go up to like 64, 63, 62. You can see the boiler set point, the variable temperature maximum and minimum.